Hi friends, here is a simple problem. We have quadratic equation, but there is an absolute function in this quadratic equation. Absolute value of x minus 2 whole square plus absolute value of x minus 2 equals 0. Okay, so we know absolute value of x minus 2. When x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0, this will be equal to x minus 2. Absolute value of x minus 2 equals to x minus 2. When x minus 2 is less than 0, absolute value of x minus 2 will be minus of x minus 2. Right. Using that, let's take both the cases and solve this equation. We'll get two quadratic equations. For example, like this. When x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. That means x is greater than or equal to 2. Okay. Then absolute value of x minus 2 would be x minus 2. So this equation will transform to like this. X minus 2 whole square plus x minus 2 minus 2 equals 0. If we just expand, this becomes x square plus 4 minus 4x plus x minus 2 equals 0. Right. So minus 4x plus x will become minus 3x. 4 minus 2 will become 0. X square minus 3x equals 0. That means x into x minus 3 equals 0, x equal to 0 or 3. But we can't take both. Why? Because x has to be greater than or equal to 2. That means 0 we have to remove. Only 3 is the option. Okay. Now, in the case where x minus 2 is less than 0, what does that mean? X is less than 2. In this case, absolute value of x minus 2 will be equal to minus of x minus 2. Right. For example, absolute value of minus 3 is minus of minus 3. Okay. This is x. Then minus x. Minus x is minus of minus 3. Right. So then absolute value of x minus 2 is minus of x minus 2. Let's put minus of x minus 2 here. Minus of x minus 2 whole square plus minus of x minus 2, which is equal to minus x minus 2 equals to 0. Then, so minus of x minus 2 whole square and so this minus doesn't matter. Minus of x minus 2 or x minus 2 whole square both are equal to x minus 2 whole square. So this minus doesn't matter. So this will transform to x minus 2 whole square. Minus x minus of x is minus x, minus into minus plus 2. This 2 will get cancelled. Then we'll be left with x square plus 4 minus 4x minus x. Right. Now, this one we can write this as x square. We're just rearranging terms. Minus 4x minus x minus 4. X into x minus 4 minus 1 minus of 1 into x minus 4, x minus 1 into x minus 4. See, minus of this x and this 4. This is minus of x minus 4. Okay. So x equals 1 or x equal to 4. But x has to be less than 2. That means x equals to 4. This is not applicable. X has to be 1. Okay. So now we have this x equal to 1 in the case x is less than 2 and x equals to 3 in the case x greater than or equal to 2. So the total sum of the roots is 3 plus 1, which is equal to 4. Right. The sum of all real roots is actually equal to 4. Right, guys? Simple problem. Just that when there is an absolute function, we need to see what is inside the absolute function. If it is greater than 0, we will keep it as is. If it is less than 0, we will do minus of this one. This thing, whatever is there between the absolute function. Right, guys? Hope you like this. Thank you.